Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from somewhere, guys. Got my Joe. There's no go without the Joe, and we're going to be talking about XRP $10, guys. It is going to freaking happen. Well, let's hope it's going to happen. So I'm going to talk to you about some catalysts and some reasons why I think that XRP $10 this bull cycle is freaking possible, guys. So, on this channel, I don't want to be like a permanent pessimistic. I just want to give you the real story, the real goods, and what I think is happening for XRP, crypto, and Dogecoin out there. So let's dive right into it, guys. Go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate. Go down there, smash freaking likes, and show that you're a human being out there. I would appreciate it. So overall, right now, we're seeing that the total market for crypto it's still lagging behind. We're still seeing we're down like 0.96% out there. We are seeing, though, that Bitcoin is still holding pretty strong, even though the altcoins are not doing as good. So we're seeing that Bitcoin is down 0.69%. Ethereum is down. XRP is down almost 2%, now trading below $2.29. And the key support level for XRP to hold is around about $2.22 out there. So I still think it's a good buying opportunity, in my opinion, not financial advice. We're seeing Solana is down. Dogecoin is also down 1.31%, but Dogecoin is doing pretty good to hold that 22-cent area, guys. So that's pretty awesome. So what's going on with XRP right now? Like I said, we've just kind of been breaking down. There's no real news out there other than we had the tariffs for EU were kind of pulled back to July 7th, so that is pretty good. That helped keep and sustain Bitcoin price, but it really hasn't helped the altcoins. If you take a look at the heat map right now, you can see that everything is kind of down, not looking good. The only winners out there is really TRX out there. So overall, crypto's not looking good right now. Right now, we're seeing that XRP has also broken down below the EMA ribbons, and it's hitting the support level of 26 cents, and it's bouncing above that. So that is pretty good out there. But below this 26-cent level, then we're going to probably drop down to $2 out there. So that's what I'm thinking. Doge right now is trading at 22 cents. But I really want to talk to you about this. Conor McGregor, he just came out and he said, I've learned from events this week that not all blockchains are actually decentralized. A lot of people are telling me that BTC and Ethereum are the only truly decentralized networks. But the U.S. government are going to buy XRP, Solana, and ADA. Give me your thoughts. So this kind of tweet came out from the real Donald Trump, and it kind of said that the U.S. Crypto Reserve will elevate this critical industry after years of corrupt attacks by Biden administration, which is why my executive order on digital assets directed by the Presidential Working Group to move forward on crypto strategic reserve. And listen, he mentions not only Bitcoin and Ethereum, but he also mentions altcoins, and he mentions XRP, Solana, and ADA. I will make sure the U.S. is the crypto capital of the world. We are making America great again, guys. So what do you think about that? I think it's pretty interesting that he talks about XRP, Solana, and ADA. So this is kind of cool. If you take a look at the crypto bubbles right now, everything is pretty much in the red, with the exception of Cake, Uniswap, ZEC, and Jump. Everything else, and Injection Protocol, everything is kind of just, it's in the doldrums, guys. Crypto is really in the doldrums. But guys, take a look at this. I think this is quite interesting. This is XRP search term over a 5-year period. You can see nothing has really happened. We had a huge spike here. Let me get that. I had a huge spike back in November 24 to 30. We had a bit of a spike, but our big spike in volume kind of came here. Okay. Came here, it came down a little bit, went back up again here January 12th to 2025. And if you correlate that, if you go back to January, you can see here's a big spike. So you can see that when retail starts to ape in and retail starts to look at for XRP news, you start to see major movements. You can see here May 11th to May 17th. Let's take a look at the chart. May 11th to 17th. May 11th to 17th. Okay. there you go, May 11th to 17th. You could see that we had major spikes because people were looking for XRP information and trending. So you can see here right now the price of XRP is down May 25 to 31, and the trend, the interest over time is down, and that correlates with retail sentiment. So you can see the retail investors are kind of leaving XRP now. That is one of the reasons why price is stagnating and going down. But trust me, institutions are still aping in, particularly the Bitcoin right now. But once we get the announcement from the U.S. government that they're going to be buying XRP, Solana, ADA, we're going to start to see that the Google trends for XRP over time will increase, and when that happens, we'll see a significant price increase, guys. So that's interesting, right? Interesting. There's definitely a correlation there. So XRP is about to explode, just like it did in 2017 and in 2024. Send XRP to $20. So you can see here in 2017, 2024, we're having a similar breakout pattern that we're having now. You can see it's a very similar pattern here, and then we had a major breakout out there. So definitely retail is going to be a big part of that, and I still believe that $20 is in the cards. This bull cycle, $10 to $20, guys, is definitely happening. So this is also in too. It looks like XRP went from this is finance bull. XRP went from 0.05 to $3 on speculation only. Now, if it breaks out out after 6 years with global banks, stablecoins, and trillions of liquidity pumped to flood the market, XRP could rally like crazy. He's saying $100 a warm-up, $1,000 is program, $10,000 is the end game. From my opinion, I don't think this is. This bull cycle, I don't think $100 is possible. $10 to $20, yes. Next bull cycle, $100, definitely. $1,000, yeah. This definitely, I don't think so. But definitely $100 to $200 next bull cycle is definitely going to happen as we see mass adoption phase happening right now. So Bitcoin right now. If we take a look at our yearly trend line here, this yellow line, we have yet to break out of that. So we need to break out of that to basically take Bitcoin up to 120, but we're still looking pretty good at $109,000. That's looking pretty good. Doge right now is still looking better. We had a nice golden cross here. We're still above the EMA ribbons, but XRP is not faring as well. If we take a look at the quarterly returns for Bitcoin right now, Q2 we're up 31%, and May we're looking at 15%. So not too shabby. We're seeing a Bitcoin right now. We're seeing liquidations. Basically, longs are getting liquidated at about 135 million. So that's kind of like what's going on. So this is also bullish for XRP. It looks like the World Economic Forum mentions XRP Ledger on its asset tokenization financial report. So this is bullish, guys. This is bullish. The World Economic Forum did mention that XRP on its newsletter that came out. So several firms have already taken steps to tokenize PE investments. Recently, Aram Equity Partners launched its first combined PE debt tokenized funds at $1 billion on the XRP Ledger. So this is pretty good, guys. This is good news, guys. And also too, guys, if you want to trade crypto, if you want to buy crypto, if you want to copy trade crypto, you want to leverage trade crypto, go down there, check out my link down there. Out there, we're offering 10% deposit on first deposit above $500. That's cash back. All sign up can be unlocked. Secret community rewards, and trust me, there's lots of rewards here, guys. Go sign up. Go sign up. So let's listen to this. This is kind of interesting. It looks like Fox Business just said trillions are coming to Bitcoin and BOA to allow BTC buys soon. So let's listen, guys.
Trillions of dollars in assets under management, and registered reps all over the country, financial advisors can now put people in Bitcoin. We knew it was going to make it go up. We knew the Trump administration was basically friendly to crypto. This was such an inevitable move. That's why it's gone higher now. That's probably why it's going to continue to go higher, because Bank of America, for example, the biggest bank, has not yet made that decision, and they are bound to. Trillions.
So this is positive.
Of dollars in
trillions of assets are going to flow into Bitcoin, and that's going to pump Bitcoin price. Some people ask me, OG, should I be buying Bitcoin? Definitely should be buying Bitcoin. Should you be selling your XRP to buy Bitcoin? Not yet. Hold. If by September we're still seeing the same prices, maybe sell a little bit, dollar cost average, and rebalance your portfolio. So the final XRP wave starts now. I still believe $10 to $20 is possible this bull run, guys. It looks like Dogecoin is repeating history again and again, guys. So it's a great time to be alive, guys. Go follow me here. I appreciate it. Be well, be blessed. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Peace out.